Welcome back everyone to another Vechain update, and we will discuss the diamond pattern breakout that we called in yesterday's video. We are currently continuing the breakout, so everything is going according to the plan, but there is a key level of resistance that is about to come up and we need to dive into the Bitcoin chart. So please support the channel, like, subscribe, comment and share. We're under 50 subs away from 8k, and 2 of you will win either my ebook or 30 minutes of one-to-one mentorship. Enter the giveaway on Twitter for more information. What we need to do right now is, before we dive into this diamond pattern, is take a look at Bitcoin. So over the past few days, back on February the 5th, we called for this breakout. We were actually talking about it last week, but on the February the 5th, we were, as you can see, smelling the Bitcoin breakout. Although getting rejected, we were maintaining the support. And I made further updates throughout the day that as long as that support holds, we will eventually get a breakout. And that is exactly what we're seeing today, and is exactly what we've been waiting for, guys, because we know that all the alts look bottomed. They can continue lower. If Bitcoin doesn't take this opportunity in breaking out, Bitcoin would dump again, and then all alts would obviously continue one more leg lower. However, they all look bottomed out. They're all at key levels of support. We can see over here the 200 EMA. So if Bitcoin failed, we just come down to the 200 EMA. That's what I mean. But remember, guys, we don't need to come to the 200 EMA. And in fact, when we lost our 1 fib level, which is when the reversal wave is 100% confirmed, we go ahead and hit these targets, the 1272, the 1414 and the 1618. But the very first one had a very bullish reaction, and then with that, reclaiming the 1 fib level. And so these are very good bullish indications. So we need to now spot any bullish pattern. So we had an inverse head and shoulders over here. On that right shoulder, we have a diamond pattern that we're currently breaking out of. And this is only being allowed because Bitcoin is breaking out. And we see the last few days we've been rejecting it. And so I've actually seen some coins just like a H bar, for example, pumping up yesterday, getting rejected because Bitcoin hadn't broken out. Now that Bitcoin has broken out, HBAR is breaking out, Casper's breaking out, everything's breaking out. Check out those updates from earlier today, especially the Bitcoin one. Let's get more views on those videos, and yeah, constantly comment, share it if you can with your community, or of your friends, or over on Twitter as well. It really is appreciated. And so now if we dive into the Vechain daily time frame and zoom into this diamond pattern, we can see very clearly, just as Bitcoin was rejecting that resistance the last few days, it was failing to break out. We had a breakout, it resulted in a fake out. We had a breakout, it resulted in a fake out. These are two opportunities where we should have actually continued higher, and it failed. But as long as it held the supports, same as Bitcoin, as long as it held that support I marked out, check out the Bitcoin updates daily, we will get the opportunity to break through. And we formed a double bottom and now have broken out. Of course, we need to wait for the daily candle close for confirmation of these targets to the upside, because if we close back underneath very quickly, we will just get a rejection, just as we did in the past days or so, like this essentially, and this breakout will be invalidated. So we have to wait for the daily candle close, whether Bitcoin is closing above that price point, which is included in my update and over on Twitter, so make sure you're following me there as well. And if we now scale to the 4-hour time frame to look at this a little bit clearer, I adjusted this a little bit yesterday. I think my previous line was something like this, but as we had this breakout and then returning back to the diamond pattern support, I then just went from here to that actual body, and we can see that we were actually just coming into the apex over here and are finally breaking out, reclaiming the 4-hour moving averages. And what we need to see with them is a bullish cross forming, but finally a break through the 200 EMA, because as we can see to the left, as Bitcoin was failing to break out the past few days over here, we just reject the resistance. But now Bitcoin is breaking out. If it can actually close above that key area of resistance for the daily candle close, then this breakout will remain valid. We will look to come up to the 200 EMA at 2892 cents, looking to break that, reclaim it, turning it into support and heading back onwards and upwards to 3 cents as the technical target of this diamond pattern. But we've actually got a larger target up at 3.5 cents, bringing moves, sorry if you can hear my dogs, bringing moves of 7 to 21%. And yeah, once this gets going, it will be quick, because what we need to see is just a reclaim of the 200 EMA, and that just means it's bullish. So as quickly as we were going down, it will be going up. So we just need to take out that resistance, make sure that Bitcoin closes above that neckline of the pattern, and then we've got free reign over here. Guys, if you want me to teach you this all, then I've got multiple things in place. I've got one-to-one mentorship, which is video calls live with myself included. You'll get 2 months free in the chat, where you get group calls on top of your one-to-ones, and you have access to my crypto portfolio. So yeah, just private message me if you're interested. We've got discounts on that at the moment. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. The links are in the description. Cheers, everyone.